On the next number, there are some Roman numerals and some Hindu-Arabic numerals are given, you can see. And then we will start our exercise 2A. The first question is write using Hindu-Arabic numerals. There are some Roman numerals are given and we have to write the Hindu-Arabic numerals. First is V. We already know V means 5. Next is VI. According to the rule which we have learned here in this chapter, when a smaller number is written at the right of the bigger number, it will get added to it. 5 and I means 1. I will get added to this 5. 5 plus 1 will be 6. Next is IV. Next is IV. According to the rule, if a smaller number is written to the left of the larger numeral or the greater numeral, it will get subtracted. I will get subtracted from V. V means 5, I means 1, and it will get subtracted. 5 minus 1, it will become 4. Next is IX. According to the rule, if a smaller numeral is written left to the greater numeral, it will get subtracted. This X means 10, I means 1, 10 minus 1 will be 9. X, it means, it is already defined, it means 10. Next is XI. Next is XI. According to the rule, if a smaller numeral is given at the right to the greater numeral, it will get added to it. X means 10, I means 1, that means it is written 11. Next is VII. Again, two smaller number, I and I is written right to the greater numeral, they will get added to it. V means 5. This I and I, that together become 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. According to the rule, if smaller number is written to the right of a larger numeral, they will get added to it. X means 10, these two I's means 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next, again the same rule. A smaller number is written to the right of the greater numeral, they will get added. X means 10, these 3I means 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. We already know X can be repeated. X means 10, 2X means 20. The next question is XVI. Okay, so this X means 10, V means 5. According to the rule, a smaller number is written to the right of the greater numeral, it will get added. This VI means 6. We already explained VI means 6 and X means 10. 10 plus 6 will be 16. I will solve the detail in the next question. X means 10. X means 10. V means 5 and these two I means 2. So a smaller number is written at the right of the greater number, it will get added. 5 plus 2 is 7, that will become 17. Okay. According to rule number 5, if a smaller number is written in between the two larger numerals, so it will get added, it will get subtracted to the number which is at its right. X means 10 and this I will be subtracted from the number which is at its right. So V means 5 and 1 means, I means 1. So this 5 minus 1, that will become 14. Again the same rule we will follow. A smaller number is written in between the two greater numeral, it will get subtracted from the number which is at its right. This X means 10 and this I will be getting subtracted from this X. 10 minus 1, that will be 19. Okay, X X can be repeated, we know. 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 1 is 21. Again 10 plus 10 is 20 plus 3. According to the rule, we know if a smaller number is returned to the right of the greater numeral, it will get added. It will be it will be 23. Again 10 plus 10 is 20, and by after solving so many examples we already know this Vi means 6. 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 6 is 26. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20, and this V triple I, that means V means 5, I, that means 3, V, 5 plus 3 is 8, it will become 28. Again this 10 plus 10 is 20, and according to the rule this I is written in between these two greater numerals, so it will get subtracted from the numeral which is at its right. This I will get subtracted from this X, that means 10 minus 1, it will be 29. X plus X plus X, that means 30. Next is X plus X plus X, 30 plus 1 is 31. X plus X plus X, 30 plus 3 is 33. X plus X plus X plus 5, 35. X plus X plus X, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 7, we already know it means 7, it will be 37. 10 plus 10 plus 10, it means 4. See, we have solved here. We have solved here. This IV means 4. 30 plus 4 is 34. Okay, now this L means 50 and X means 10. According to the rule, if a smaller number is written to the left of a greater numeral, it will get subtracted. This X will get subtracted from L. L means 50, X means 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. This XL means 40. This XL means 40 plus 3, it is 43. XL means 40, we have already solved, and this IV means 4. According to this question we have solved here already. According to this, IV means 4, XL means 40. 40 plus 4 is 44. Next question, XL, it means 40, and this IX, we have solved. IX means 9, we have solved here. 40 plus 9 is 49, and L means 50. Next question, question number 2, we have to write using Roman numerals. We have to convert the Hindu-Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. This 2, it can be written as I plus I. It can be written as I plus I. I can be repeated up to 3 times, we already know. I plus I is 2. 3 means I plus I plus I. 3 means I plus I plus I. I can be repeated. 4, we have already learned here 4. V means 5, and according to the rule, if a smaller number is written to the left of the greater numeral, it will get added. If we are writing I to the left of V, it will get subtracted. V minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Next question is 6. We can write 6 as V means 5, and we are writing I to its right. That means it will get added to it. V plus I, 5 plus I, that means 6. 8 can be written as V means 5, 1I, it means 6, 2I, it means 7, and 3I, it means 8. 9 can be written as, according to the rule, if a smaller number is written to the left of the greater number, it will get subtracted. I'm writing X and I'm writing I on its left, so it will get subtracted. 10 minus 1, that will be 9. X we already know. 10, we can use X for writing 10. 15, X means 10 and V means 5, and I'm writing V to the right of X, and so they will get added. 17 is 10 plus 7. 10 for X. 7, we can write here V means 5, I means 6, 2I means 7. 17. 20 can be written as XX. 21 can be written as XI. 25 can be written as x, x, 20 and v, 25. 26 can be written as x, x, 20 and for 6 we use vi. 24 x plus x and for 4 we can use iv. 29 x plus x and for 9 we've already made ix. 27 x plus x, that is 20 and for 7 v means 5, I, 2 i's, I'm writing v means 5, I means 6 and another I means 1, we are adding 1 to it, 20 and this VII, that means 7, 27. 30 can be written as x, x, x. X can be repeated 3 times. We already know. X, x, x and I. 31. 33 can be written as x, 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 I. 34 can be written as x, x, x and for 4 we already made IV. 36 x, 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 v, I. 6. 38 x, 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 v, I. Okay. 39 can be x, 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 I, x. So 40 can be written as L and x. L means 50 and we are writing x to its left. It will get subtracted from it. 41 will be 40 plus I. 43 will be XL, I. 44 will be X, L and 4 means here IV. 46 X, L, V, I. 47 X, L, V, I and 49 means XL, I, X. For 9 we know we use IX.